Since buying this 110-year-old cottage, I've been dying to find out if we could uncover any hidden treasures throughout the house, or anxiously waiting the day I could sledgehammer the hot tub room. So let's do both. Hi! It's officially time to demo something, and my mom's already trying to get the floor up in the bathroom. Oh, yeah, you are. But what's underneath? It's wood! Very special thank you to GoPro for sponsoring today's video. We were so curious to see if there was actually going to be wood floor underneath the linoleum that they added in the 70s, like kind of throughout the house. Very poorly picked up here in the entryway and that room and other rooms. I guess they decided they didn't want it after the 70s. Do you guys like my goggles? I'm so excited! This is the first thing we tore up. I don't know why it's the bathroom floor. We just are so desperate to know if there's hardwood underneath it or not.
This was so promising.
Yeah. Was where it was promising in the beginning with 2 boards that were wood. Floor in the bathroom was replaced with plywood or whatever, subfloor. So there's no wood so far to be saved from there. This looks like it's already coming up. That's wood! It's wood! Yes. It's wood!
That is
wood. That's wood. These drapes are coming off. I mean, they could be worse, right? 1. Kurt, Spiderweb City. It's a spring. Ooh. This room's got lots of curtains. Brighter. I'm taking these off. They're in my head. They're gonna make creases around my head. I gotta get rid of these carpet rugs. I hate it so much. They're not rugs. They're just pieces of carpet that they used as rugs, and they're in all of the rooms. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my gosh, and they're all different colors. Green, rust, beige, and that one's like a
sculpted shag.
Yeah,
Oh, yeah,
sculpted shag. We gotta get them up.
These don't smell.
No, they don't. Nothing in here smells.
No.
It really doesn't.
It's really good. I don't even know what. It would be nice to kind of repurpose it in some way, but we gotta get it off the wall. Let's see what this specific call box up here. On, off, panic, whatever this is. Look at these old papers. I thought at first it was like a poem. They wrote out the words to the songs. Maybe someone did music. This house came equipped with Christmas lights or Halloween lights. I'm not sure. What? Oh, and they blink. There you go. The little creepy door. I want to know what's in the little creepy door. It's something green.
Oh, what?
I don't know. It's green.
No. What is that?
It's green. I don't know
Ooh,
what
what
it is.
is that? I'm scared.
Some kind of.
Oh, what?
I don't know. It doesn't look scary. It looks kind of like blankets and.
It's cushions.
Oh, imagine. Oh, God. Look at this.
Nothing scary. Gonna be such an adventure with this house, and who doesn't love a good adventure? And a very special thank you to GoPro for sponsoring this video. I've already got such cool clips that I would have never been able to get without a GoPro, because GoPros can go anywhere, do anything, and they're small enough to get those really unique angles. Romeo and I have already taken our GoPro on so many adventures when we were traveling, like in the Philippines, through the lagoons, and when he jumped off all of the cliffs in Cebu in the Philippines, and we would have never been able to capture those moments without it. Snowboarding in Mammoth Lakes in California. He wore the GoPro because I just kept falling. You just kept seeing me fall and fall and fall.
And now we're using the GoPro to document this new adventure with this house and just getting to have it as memories too as our first project. And GoPro cameras are amazing for video, obviously, but they also take amazing photography. And the camera is packed with enough features for a pro photographer, a pro videographer, but they're simple enough to use for everyone. And the GoPro Hero 9 Black also has a front-facing screen, which my other model didn't. So I love this feature because I can actually see myself in selfie mode, and it makes it really easy to frame what you're capturing, frame your shot, so that you don't miss a really cool moment. They've also improved the back display screen, so it makes it really easy to control the camera settings with just tapping and swiping, so you can find all of the different menu items. And GoPro cameras are super rugged and durable and waterproof right out of the box at 33 feet.
Please check out gopro.com/exomckenna. Pick yourself up a Hero 9 Black GoPro camera.
I'm gonna take my GoPros and we're gonna attach it to something on this hot tub so that we can take it down.
I'm so excited to get this hot tub room off, but we gotta turn off the power because there's a fan and the hot tub's probably connected. We're off. Let's go break down a hot tub room.
Let's put it on that gas.
Progress! One window. We have a problem. We sprung a leak, which I guess, is that actually coming from the hot tub itself or water to the hot tub?
Water off.
No. No? We turned the water off. We don't know where it is. Oh, we found it. Well, not me, but I mean my dad. Yeah, everything's a little bit of a learning curve. Push the red button.
You think that's the stop water button?
Surprisingly, the hot tub, nice hot tub.
It is. Look how you sit.
Yeah, it's really
It'd
nice.
be easy to clean up.
Yeah, and sell, because I don't want one. Do you want one?
Never underestimate me.
Sunlight is in this room now with that gone. And look, you guys remember the craft room? We couldn't even see in it. The light bulb was burned out, obviously. We couldn't even see in it. Look how much sunlight's going in the craft room now. You can actually see in here. We got really curious to see what was behind all of the drywall because the nice guy next door that bought that house, it was kind of around the same time. It's kind of a similar house and he's been working on it too. He let us in to see his and he was curious and he found all shiplap behind his walls. And look what we just found. All shiplap. I mean, I don't know if I want shiplap in here. We tried on this wall because this is one of the walls that we're gonna be taking down, actually. This is very much an exploration day. We're seeing what's underneath things. So we got the carpet up, we found shiplap, we found more hardwood in the kitchen. Now we wanna see what's in the ceiling. They added the drop ceiling when they put in central air, because they had to have it, you know, going somewhere. So you can see the vent up there, but the pitch of this house goes up, gosh, must be, what, 20, 23 feet? At least 20 foot. I don't want these drop ceilings that look like this. Oh. Oh my gosh, it's wood. Is it wood the whole way? Well, all we can do is see if the rest of the rooms are wood. I mean, I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing. I took a bigger piece off of here. Look, it's all wood. It's all wood. Well, I mean, and then, so it's wood in here. You can see it up there. It's all wood. And then, where we're standing right now, this is like the dining room going into the kitchen area, which would be really cool with a wood slat roof or wood slat ceiling. That could be refinished and be really cool. But in here, I definitely wanted to vault this. So it would go up to the total peak. Watch, I'll show you the peak outside. Imagine the ceiling looking like that on the inside. It would just be vaulted up to there. So it could be at least 20 foot. That's definitely what I wanted to do in here. Have it go all the way up in here and then also all the way up in here. Were there any more question marks that we were wondering about?
How to get in the attic.
Oh yeah, we don't know how to get in the attic. We've tried several things. You guys see that little door up there? That little latch? We're gonna do it. Only for you guys. Well, and for me, because I want to know what's in there. You guys are coming with me. Thank goodness for the GoPro. I made it. I was getting scared. Okay, we gotta go over there. Should I just scooch back? Okay, one is unlocked. But one isn't. What if there's something scary? Oh. Oh my goodness. Hello? Hello? This really did the AC? Look, imagine it was vaulted in the house. Do you guys see that brick column right there? I'm gonna take some pictures for you. At least we saw what it could look like up here. That's so cool. We're going down. Hi, Mama. Be careful. Okay. So I couldn't get the latch on that little thing up there, the little door up there, fully closed. So my dad got back up there and with a hammer and like locked it closed. While he was up there, he took a look at it and saw the pitch roofs and where it was load bearing and if I could really even make the changes that I wanted to change with the interior walls. And he thinks it's looking very good that I might be able to. The windows and the door that we removed from the hot tub, well, the windows and the door, one door that we removed from the hot tub room, I put in my little workshop. All 4 windows are here and we were able to get them off without breaking them at all, which is great. We can try and reuse them in some way, which is so good. And then this was the door that was on the hot tub room. So, you know, it matches the doors inside. Totally fine vintage doorknobs. I'm so excited that we get to actually do that. I actually have to figure out what to do with the hot tub, but we made such a mess. So all of that's gonna go in the container, but look at that space. We had to get rid of it anyways to move the house. So now I gotta figure out what to do with a hot tub. What do I do with it? What a day. I mean, I gotta sit down. You guys are actually gonna see this dude. We thrifted these, we thrifted these chairs. My mom and I found 2 of them and they're super cool. You're gonna see a thrift flip coming soon. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video and knocking down that hot tub room with me. And we got to capture such cool footage on the GoPro cameras. So if you guys want to document your adventures, whether it's traveling or even if it's something like this, a house or projects that you like to work on, definitely check out gopro.com/exomckenna to pick yourself up a Hero 9 Black GoPro camera. Thank you to GoPro for sponsoring this video. And if you haven't checked out any of the other videos in this Comfort Cottage home series, you should. From finding the house to buying the house to all of my ideas and plans for what I want this house to be and how we're gonna restore it, but also make it a little more open. You should. I'll leave all of the links to all of the videos in the playlist so that you guys can catch up. I'll see you next week. Bye guys.